Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu on Weebly so you can organize your navigation and keep your website looking clean and professional. Let's get into it. First, open the Pages tab. To manage your menu structure, you need to go to the back end where your site hierarchy is controlled. In the main Weebly editor, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Pages tab. This will open a sidebar on the left showing a list of every page currently on your website. The order you see here is exactly how they appear in your top navigation menu. Next, create the drop-down hierarchy, the drag and indent. This is the most important part of the process. You don't need to change any settings, you just need to move the pages into a parent and child relationship. Find the page you want to turn into a sub-item, the child page. Click and hold the page name in the sidebar. Drag that page directly underneath the parent page, the main menu item. Once it's positioned below, drag it slightly to the right until it clicks into place. You will see the page thumbnail indent inward. This tells Weebly that this page is now part of a drop-down menu. When a visitor hovers over your main menu items on your live site, this indented page will now appear in a submenu. Lastly, organize and preview. You can stack multiple pages to create a comprehensive list under a single heading. Repeat the dragging and indenting process for any other pages you want in that menu. You can even create double drop-downs by indenting a page even further to the right under a subpage. Once you're happy with the layout, look at your editor's live preview. Hover over your main menu items to ensure the drop-down animations are working smoothly before you hit publish. And that's pretty much it. To create a drop-down menu in 2026, head to the Pages tab and use the drag and indent method. Simply slide your subpages to the right underneath your main pages to create a nested hierarchy. It's a simple way to keep your site navigation organized without using any code. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.